Hello! For today's video is how to find Instagram live videos. First of all, we simply want to make sure that we have actually updated our Instagram app. So we go to a Play Store and in the search box, you will search Instagram. And then if you see open, that means your app is fully updated. And if not, go ahead and simply update the app to go to the latest version. Once we've actually updated the Instagram, I'm going to simply open it. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you're basically logged into your account. Now, first of all, what happens is that someone from your following or following list is actually live on Instagram. You would simply be able to see the live button right over here depending on what kind of profiles are actually currently live. Or else, you would actually get a notification and show list of people who is live on Instagram. Now, this is actually the first way, but these are only limitations to who are your followers or Instagram. So, what if you actually want to view live video? Not for that. What used to happen previously was if you tap on the discover icon in the search box, we have the option called IGTV. If you're aware about that, Instagram actually remove IGTV and then replace it with Reel. So basically, we don't have the IGTV on IGTV. What used to happen was that they used to actually all the live videos right over here. But then, we don't no longer have that option right over here. And even if I tap on hashtag or else, if I go to Reels right over here, we can see that we don't have any type of live videos or footage which we can actually view on Instagram. So basically, this means that Instagram actually removed that live button where you'd actually be able to see all of the public people who are actually live on Instagram. You'll no longer have that option like TikTok or something else. How does somebody follow on Instagram is actually live? You won't get notified either. There is no live section in Instagram as well. Even the Instagram Reel is only available for some reason. And for some reason, it doesn't work at all. We don't have the Reels option at all. So this is it. This is the truth of this video. There is no way to actually find Instagram live videos anymore. Instagram constantly updates your application. So we hope that this video gave you some knowledge and insight about the live videos on Instagram. If it did, make sure to leave a comment on the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe and like.